Hello and welcome back to AI Daily Scope, your go-to source for everything AI. This week has been buzzing with groundbreaking developments that are shaping the future right before our eyes. So let's not waste any time and dive right into the most captivating stories in the world of artificial intelligence. OpenAI's game-changing announcement. First on our list is the exciting news from OpenAI. They're pioneering a new era by partnering with a select group of US developers to test usage-based GPT earnings. This initiative aims to foster a vibrant ecosystem where developers are rewarded for their creativity and impact. Imagine creating custom GPTs and earning from their usage. This move not only incentivizes innovation, but also marks a significant shift in how AI developments are monetized and shared. Revolutionizing content creation with Haen. Moving forward, let's talk about Haen's latest achievement, Avatar in Motion 1.0. This technology brings your digital avatars to life with natural hand gestures, unique tones of voice, and seamless lip syncing for any input text. The potential implications for businesses and content creators are immense, offering new ways to engage with audiences. Yet this raises ethical questions about the line between AI-generated and human-created content. The AI job replacement debate heats up. A recent survey has sparked a heated debate by revealing that nearly half of all managers are considering replacing workers with AI due to the potential for lower wages. This sobering statistic opens up a discussion on the future of employment and the role of AI in our lives. How do we balance technological advancement with job security and ethical considerations? AI's role in the entertainment industry. In an unexpected turn of events, BBC's decision to replace actress Sarah Poysa with an AI-generated voice for a production has ignited discussions on AI's expanding influence in the entertainment industry. This decision, termed by Poysa as a grim time for the industry, highlights the growing capabilities and applications of AI in roles traditionally filled by humans. The race for AI supremacy intensifies. Amazon's staggering investment of $275 billion in Anthropic, the creators of Claude, has set the stage for an intense competition in the AI space. This move signals Amazon's commitment to advancing AI technologies and raises questions about what OpenAI and other competitors will do in response. Hume AI with emotional intelligence. Lastly, let's explore Hume, the world's first voice AI with emotional intelligence. Hume can understand and respond to the emotional tone of your voice, crafting responses that are empathetic and contextually relevant. This breakthrough could redefine how we interact with AI, making digital assistants more intuitive and human-like. This week has indeed been a whirlwind of AI advancements, from monetizing custom GPTs to AI taking roles in the entertainment industry, and the introduction of emotionally intelligent AI. The potential for innovation is boundless, but it also brings to the forefront critical discussions about ethics, job security, and the future of human-AI interaction. As always, we'll keep you updated on these developments and more. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Daily Scope for your daily dose of AI news. Until next time, stay curious and forward-thinking.